Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an extreme clean with me. So we're going to be doing lots of cleaning throughout the whole house. And like usual, I'm going to show you how messy the house is before we get started cleaning, and then stay tuned until the end of the video to see how clean the house looks afterwards. So we'll start off here in the laundry room as usual, and it's not too bad in here actually. I just have to get those clothes started. Now next in the kitchen here, it gets a little bit worse. We've got a lot of dishes to put in the dishwasher. That dishwasher needs emptied. And then over here, Owen made a giant mess on the floor as usual. So not only do I have to tidy up, the floor also needs swept and mopped really good, especially like under his high chair and under the table. Over here, our desk needs cleaned. And then of course, we've got toys on the floor, one of Kyle's snack bags. We were in town yesterday, so there's just a few bags and clothes and shoes from being in town. And then walking over here, we've got more toys on the floor. Not too bad in here. This room is actually fairly clean. In here, I've just got clothes to put away from being in town yesterday. I need to make my bed, and the boys' bathroom needs a good cleaning. Actually, both of the bathrooms need a good cleaning, like the countertops and stuff. And lastly, we've got Owen's room slash the boys' playroom, and this is of course a disaster. I can't even open up the door any further than that. That's how bad it is. And this wouldn't be so bad if it was just toys, but there's like clothes and all kinds of stuff all over the floor. And I don't know if I should turn this camera. Yeah, this is pretty bad. This is all my fault because yesterday we were ready to run out the door and Owen needed a coat, and so I was pulling boxes and stuff out of the closet trying to find the box of Kyle's old clothes so that I could find his old coat for Owen to wear. And yeah, it's pretty bad, and this closet needs organized too. Before we get started with the cleaning, I wanted to show you guys the shirt that I'm wearing today. It's this really soft gray t-shirt. It says Wifey, and this shirt is from the website Thread Tank, and I just wanted to give them a quick shout out because they sent me 3 shirts for free, which was so awesome of them. The second one is this darker gray color. It says love, and the third one I got says mom life is the best life. I really love the color of this one, and all of these shirts, the material of them is so soft and they're so comfy. I highly recommend them, and they gave me a discount code for you guys too. You can get 10% off. I'll have all of the details down below. So now we're gonna get straight into cleaning this house up. Let's get started. finally finished with all of my cleaning. Now I'll show you how clean the house looks afterwards. Here is the laundry room. Here is the kitchen. It's clean just in time for me to mess it up making supper. And over here is looking much cleaner as well. The floor is looking nice and shiny. If you remember before, it had tons of crumbs and it was pretty dirty under Owen's high chair and under the table. And over here, it's nice and clean now. Got that desk all cleaned off. And walking over here into the living room, we cleaned up quite a bit as well. I got my bedroom cleaned up and my bed made, and I turned on that robotic vacuum in here and he got it all nice and swept in here. I got this bathroom cleaned up and the countertop and the toilet and the floor. And then the room that was the messiest of them all is now nice and clean. I got that closet over here a little bit better organized. The floor is all nice and vacuumed. Got Owen's new sheet put back on there. So now it's nice and cozy and clean in here and ready for them to mess it all up again. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this cleaning video, and I've been trying to film these extreme cleaning videos about every other week for you guys. So if you want me to keep on doing that, then give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments that you've been enjoying them, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!